Hello everyone and welcome back to our ServiceNow HRST series. In today's session, we are covering a critical aspect of managing HRST effectively, governance and continuous improvement. Why is governance important? Without a structured approach, HRST processes can become inconsistent, leading to security risks and inefficiencies. In this video, we will explore how to establish governance for HRST, strategies for continuous improvement, effective change management practices, real-world applications for HRST optimization. Let's dive in. Establishing HRST governance. Define governance structure. A governance structure provides clear guidelines for managing HRST effectively. Key components include HRST leadership team, which defines policies and oversees implementations, process owners responsible for HR workflows and improvements, support teams handle case resolution and system enhancements. Having a structured approach ensures accountability in HRST management. Assigning roles and responsibilities. To maintain system efficiency, different roles should be assigned like HR admins, HR agents, IT support teams. HR admins manage HRST configuration and updates. HR agents handle employee requests and cases. IT support teams ensures system stability and integration security. Proper role assignment enhance collaboration across teams. Then create usage policies. Usage policies help standardized HRST operations including access control rules, who can modify cases or HR data retention policies, how long employee records are stored, usage guidelines, best practices for HRST users. Clearly defined policies prevent misuses and ensure HRST compliance. Then establishing security guidelines. HRST contains sensitive employee information, making security a top priority. Organization should define data access restriction, implement encryption for HR records, monitor user activity and access logs. This protects HR data while ensuring compliance with privacy regulations. Continuous improvement strategies. Gather team feedback. Regular feedback from HR teams and employees help identify bottlenecks in HR workflows, gaps in service delivery, user experience challenges. Feedback driven improvement enhance HRST efficiencies. Then leverage HRST analytics. HRST provides analytic and dashboards to track HR case resolution times, employee satisfaction with HR services, workflow performance matrices. Using analytic help make data driven decision for continuous optimization. Then optimize workflows regularly. HR workflows should be reviewed periodically for efficiency, streamlined to reduce manual steps, automated where possible to save time. Regular optimization keeps HRST process agile and efficient. Then conduct regular reviews. Organizations should schedule governance reviews to assess HRST performance, identify process gaps, implement necessary changes. This ensures HRST aligns with evolving business needs. Change management in HRST. Prepare teams for updates. System updates and process changes should be communication in advance to HR teams, accompanied by training sessions documented in knowledge bases. This minimizes confusion when new features are introduced. Then communicate changes effectively. For successful change adoption, use clear communication channels like emails, meeting, HR portals. Explain why the change is needed and provide step-by-step guidance. Effective communication ensures smooth transition in HRST. Then minimize disruption during transition. When rolling out changes, implement changes in phases, run parallel testing before full deployment, have a support team ready for issues. This approach reduces service disruptions. Then monitor post-deployment impact. After changes are implemented, gather user feedback, track performance metrics, adjust workflows if necessary. Continuous monitoring ensures successful HRSD improvement. Real world applications. Case study success examples. Organization using strong governance model have achieved faster HR case resolution times, higher employee satisfaction rates, better HRSD compliance and security policies. Governance and continuous improvement drive long-term success. Then track improvement metrics to measure progress. Organization should track HR case closure rates, response time improvements, reduction in escalation. Tracking these ensure HRSD effectiveness. Measuring with KPIs. Key HRSD KPIs include employee request resolution time, SLA compliance, adoption rate of HR self-service tools. Regular KPI tracking helps maintain HRSD performance. Plan for future upgrades. HRSD should evolve with organizational needs. Future improvements may include AI-driven HR chatbots, expanded mobile HR capabilities, more automation in employee lifecycle events. A proactive approach to governance ensures HRSD remains modern and effective. Effective HRSD governance and continuous improvement led to better service delivery, security, and efficiency. By implementing structured governance, optimizing workflows, and managing change effectively, organizations can ensure their HRSD platform stays efficient and future ready. Thank you for watching this video on HRSD governance and continuous improvement. Stay tuned for more insights on optimizing ServiceNow HRSD.